Nagdadalamhati at sobrang lungkot ang nararamdaman nga ngayon ng aktres na si Charo Santos. Ito'y dahil sa pagpanaw ng batikang direktor na si Direk Mike De Leon. Sobrang ramdam nga ang lungkot ni Charo Santos Concio sa naging post nito para sa patribute niya sa pagpanaw ng kanyang unang direktor sa pelikula, at ito rin ang itinuturing niya na mentor sa industriya ng showbiz na si Direk Mike De Leon. Si Mike ang direktor ng kanyang kauna-unahang pelikula ni Charo na Itim. Ito ay pinilabas noong 1976 kung saan nanalo din siyang Best Actress sa Asian Film Festival noong 1978. Narito ang makabagdamdaming pahayag ni Miss Charo Santos. Today, I lost a dear friend. Mike was my very first mentor in the art and discipline of filmmaking. From him, I learned everything: the rigor of preparing a shot list, the mounting of scenes, the rhythm of narrative, the editing, the discipline of sound music and mixing back when motion picture was shot on actual film. He was a perfectionist, a genius, and a true master of cinema. Say pa ng nasabing TV actress na si Charo Santos. Yet, beyond his brilliance, Mike was my friend. He gave me trust, guidance, and unforgettable moments of collaboration. Through the years, he was unfailing present at milestones and even in the most challenging seasons of my life. In my darkest hours, he was there, quiet, steady, kind. Ours was a bond that felt like soulmates in artistry, a connection built on respect and admiration. Doon nga ay inisa-isa at inihayag din ni Ma'am Charo Santos ang mga obra maestra na ginawa niya o ginawa ng direktor na isa sa kanyang mga paborito. He gave us films that were not merely watched but deeply felt etched into who we are. Kisap Mata Batch 81, Kung Mangarap Ka, Magising, Kakabakabakaba, and Itim were never just films. They were mirrors, unflinching in their truth, forcing us to confront ourselves and the world we live in. Say pa ni Charo Santos, I will never forget the last time we spoke as we were preparing a film together. Its working title, Unfinished Business, he said. I don't think I will live to finish these films because of my condition, so I don't even want to start it. Heartbreaking words from a man who had devoted his entire life to cinema and to truth. Mike's departure feels like a scene cut too soon, an unfinished business, and yet in truth, his work is complete. His films will forever illuminate our history, our fears, and our dreams. Yan nga ang sobra-sobrang pag-alala at pasasalamat ni Charo Santos sa napakalaking ambag at tulong ni Direk Mike, pati na rin sa nagpakalaking kontribusyon nito sa Philippine cinema. Si Direk Mike ay pumanaw sa age na 78. Bukod sa mga na-mention ni Charo na mga pelikula ng premyadong direktor, ito rin ang namahala sa Sister Stella L. ni Vilma Santos at marami pang iba. Mahigpit na yakap sa buong pamilya na naiwan ni Direk Mike. Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.